In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the Elevation View tab effectively. After selecting a wall, you can access this view either by clicking the Elevation View tab or by right-clicking on the wall and selecting the Elevation View option. This presents a frontal view of the wall from the exterior, indicated by the green pointer on the floor plan. This feature allows you to zoom in on the wall to inspect its appearance closely. If adjustments are needed, you can reposition openings by clicking and dragging them. To remove an opening, simply select it and press the Del key. The view can be switched to display the interior side of the wall from the outside and the placement of rebars within the wall. These rebars can be individually moved by dragging them to snap into the nearest appropriate position and can be deleted if necessary. The elevation view also facilitates detailed wall adjustments. By selecting a vertical schedule from the overview and choosing micro adjustments, you can place rebars precisely by selecting the Place Individual option and clicking on the desired location on the wall. In micro adjustments mode, editing the grout is possible by selecting Edit Grout. This displays all grouted cells required for the selected vertical schedule. While these cells cannot be removed due to structural requirements, additional grout can be added by left-clicking to fill a cell or by dragging to select and fill multiple cells. To remove grout, right-click on the cells. Confirm any modifications by clicking Done Editing Grout.